And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you how you can write comments in that programming language. For example, here we have in HTML the typical comment, and this is not visible in the browser. You can also write comments in a similar way in CSS. Just watch this gray class for the background color. We'll just use 2 slashes, and now this is commented out, and therefore the yellow background color is used. So the gray class doesn't have any properties anymore, as this is now a comment, and therefore the yellow background color is not overwritten. Let me add 2 slashes here as well, and this gets rid of the yellow background color. Let me, for example, bring gray back. You can see only yellow is missing. We can also write multi-line comments in CSS, and this is easily done by using slash and asterisk. So if I place it, for example, above the p tag, we will comment everything out except for the h1 on top of it. And here I use asterisk slash to close the comment. And you can see how that changes all of our elements except for the h1. If I place it right here, gray and green text will not be affected. Therefore we'll get that back. Here's our gray class and the green text ID selector. This now runs. So it's fairly easy. You just have to memorize these two, and for one, I only use single line comments for the most part. So 2 slashes and slash asterisk for multi-lines. Close it with asterisk slash. And this is how you can write comments in CSS. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.